Get ready because we're going to learn how to use the Epilady Drop. This is a full body epilator that you can use in the shower or out of the shower. Super versatile. You can start by plugging the charging dock into the wall. So place the cord at the end of the charging dock and then plug the other side into an outlet. There are two metal balls in the back of the drop. Those are going to line up with the metal plates that are in the charging dock. This is how your Epilady Drop is going to get its charge. The red indicator light lets you know it's charging. So now you're all set to use the drop. Now you're going to want to hold the drop at a 90-degree angle to your skin. And you're going to move it in small circles in both directions. So you're not going straight up and down your leg or your arm. You're going in small circles in both directions. Watch me switch speeds here. The drop comes with two speeds. The first speed is going to be a little bit slower and is going to give you a little bit more control, but the second speed is when you want to go super fast. And that's your drop. It's a super versatile full body epilator. Enjoy.